This exhaust note should make it clear that we have another two-stroke motorcycle today, and this one happens to be another Yamaha RX in its RXZ avatar. Unlike the previous one, which was purpose made for performance and had a dirt bike character, this one is restored to its stock glory with some added modern touch. This restoration began right from the bare chassis, where everything you see on this motorcycle is either restored, repainted, or replaced with something better and modern. This new granite grey metallic color looks really rich in person, along with the copper inserts which break the monotone. Most of the engine and its related stuff are stock, right from the air filter box to the carburetor, and of course the exhaust, which has got a sweet muted two-stroke beat to it. The spoke rim setup is retained with the copper design language. Of course the brakes have been upgraded to the disc brake setup from the Pulsar, which has brought a world of difference in braking in this light motorcycle. The suspension duties are allocated to the completely new setup from the Pulsar in the front, while the series spring suspension in the rear is from TVS Phoenix. Both of them do a really good job in bringing comfort to the ride, even when you're riding with a pillion. This one has also got a digital console from Yamaha's own FZ, although most of the telltale signs like the indicators, neutral light, high beam and stuff work, but we are here to figure out how to get that RPM meter running. As it will require some kind of hack, do comment down with your ideas on it. In other mods, we have got the LED headlight with that same rectangular shaped dome which retains the design element with added practicality. The quick throttle might be the only pseudo performance mod on this motorcycle that helps in quickly raising the RPM. Apart from all of this, even the sprockets are stock, so the motorcycle runs very clean and refined with no urgency. It's really hard to explain this to a non-two-stroke rider that how easy two strokes make you feel to cruise even at 60 km per hour when compared to a 4-stroke like a Honda Shine, where the same speed from the 4-stroke 4-speed setup starts to feel stressed. Well, that was not a right comparison, as motorcycles like the RX and Shogun have a very special place in my heart, and as I like to call them, non-adulterated motorcycles. No wonder motorcycle enthusiasts all over the country patiently wait for parts and spend fortunes in getting them restored. Let me know in the comment section if you want other two-stroke videos on this channel. So that's it for this video, and I hope you guys have liked it.